In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to Excel on Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to download your board data as a spreadsheet so you can analyze it, share it, or archive it outside of Monday.com. First, sign in to your Monday.com account and open the board you want to export. In this example, we're heading to a board called Trial Management. Make sure you're in the main table view where your items and columns are visible, since the export will reflect what's on the board. Next, look to the top right area of the board header. You'll see a small menu icon that's often highlighted with 3 dots. Click that to open the board level options. If you don't see it, try expanding your window or switching to the main table view so the full header appears. From the menu that opens, choose More Actions. This reveals additional tools that aren't shown by default. You'll find several options here related to board settings and data handling. Now select Export Board to Excel. This tells Monday.com you want to create an .xlsx file of the board's data. At this point, Monday may show you a brief note about what's included in the export. Typically, groups, items, and visible columns go out to Excel. Updates, file attachments, and some complex column types don't export as conversations or files. Those remain in Monday.com. So keep that in mind if you need context beyond the table. Finally, click Export to confirm. The system will generate your Excel file and download it to your browser's default location, usually your Downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save, pick a spot you'll remember. Once the download completes, open the file to review your data. You should see your groups as separate sections, your items as rows, and your columns as headers. Dates, people, statuses, text, and numbers usually carry over cleanly. If you use formulas, you'll often see the calculated results rather than live Monday.com formulas, which is expected in a static export. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the export option is missing or grayed out, you might have limited permissions, or your admin may have restricted exports for your plan. In that case, ask an admin or board owner for help. Also, if you only need a subset of data, consider filtering the board first, then export so your spreadsheet reflects exactly what you're viewing. That's it. You've successfully exported your Monday.com board to Excel and are ready to